Choose to rent, advancing events through technology.
Place tablet frame and all accessories inside bubble wrap to prepare for packing. Place 4 foam corner pieces in the box, followed by the kiosk base, and 4 more foam pieces. Place kiosk top into the box, followed by bubble wrap. Place kiosk middle into the box, then pack in all accessories. Place the red folder on top of kiosk middle, and tape the box closed. Apply the return label to the box. Be sure to cover any previous labels.